story of seeds begins at a time when the earth was covered in disparate communities, isolated by mountain, seas, and deserts. Seed is the most celebrated and protected of all natural elements. For thousands of years, ancient cultures have centered rituals around seeds as a sacred element and giver of life. At Rain International, we've sourced the very best seeds, and one stands out. The black cumin seed, revered by the Egyptians, Persians, and Greeks for its powerful medicinal qualities. Seeds encapsulate Mother Nature's recipe for life and vitality. Black cumin seeds are the ultimate version of this recipe. This extraordinary combination of essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins is, in essence, the most pure and powerful form of nutrition ever created. Thanks to modern science, we've uncovered the secret to harnessing the power of black cumin seed. Now you too can experience the benefits. Discover seeds. Discover health. Discover soul.